What's for breakfast? No, just kidding. It's not morning. But what if it was morning? You didn't know what to have for breakfast, and you say, I want a bagel sandwich or a bagel, but you don't have any bagels. Let me show you how to make the easiest bagels ever, okay? So, if you want to know how to make some homemade bagels in your air fryer, might I add, keep watching. Okay, so here's the ingredients that you would need. We got self-rising flour, some yogurt, and strawberries. And you're gonna need 1 egg for some egg to make an egg wash. Now, you can use whatever yogurt you would like. I'm using the vanilla flavored yogurt because that's what I have. You can use a plain yogurt if you want, blueberry, peach, whatever flavor you want. You don't have to use strawberries also. You can use whatever fruit you want, or no fruit, or something savory, or onion. Like, you can do this however you want. Today, I'm doing vanilla bagels with strawberries in it, okay? First things first, wash off your strawberries. Just like that. And I think I'm gonna do 4 strawberries. If I need more, then I'll add them in. Into a bowl, you want to put 2 cups of self-rising flour. Put 1 in, and then I'm gonna do, you want to do 1 cup of yogurt. So 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of yogurt. So I don't know, I'm gonna measure this out into 1 cup. I don't know how many of these I would need. So I used about 3 of these yogurt cups. These are 4 ounces. Okay, that's your 1 cup of yogurt. Drop that in there. And I'm gonna put my other cup of flour on top. Okay, so I put the other cup on top of here. You just want to give it a quick mix. I just want to fold it together a little bit, and then I'm gonna put my strawberries in. I'm just trying to fold it all together. First, I want to mix it with this, and then I'm gonna get in there and mix it with my hands. Okay, that looks good. All right, let's mix it using our fingers. Make sure you wash your hands. I think this will be a good project for kids. I am gonna add a little bit more flour just to get it a little less sticky. About that much. Just really stick it to my hand. Okay. Then I'm gonna put it on the counter so I can knead it. Smells really good. Look at it. Looks so good. Now, let's shape the bagels. Here's one. There's 4. Okay. Now put those right into your air fryer basket. I'm doing 2 at a time. Get a pumpkin cup and crack you an egg in it. It doesn't have to be a pumpkin cup. It could be a bowl. It could be whatever. I just wanted to show you guys my cute little pumpkin cup. Okay, you want to just mix that egg up really quickly. You want to brush this on the top of your bagel. All right, so what you want to do is take your egg wash and put it on all of your bagel. I don't have one of those brushes, so I'm just gonna use my hand. Make sure you get all of it, every crevice. Like the sides, everything. Okay. Oh, I probably should have put this in the air fryer first before I did this. Anyway, make sure your hole is big enough because the first ones, the hole is non-existent anymore. So, get that off your plate. Pop that in there. Make sure that hole's big enough. Okay, now I'm gonna continue to put the egg wash on that other one. Power, we're doing baking. We want to do it for 350 for 20 minutes. Let that start. Here they are. I don't know what happened there, but look at them. They feel so smooth. Okay, they're super hard. Let me take them out. We can open it and see what it looks like on the inside. They're not the cutest bagels I ever seen, but they do look delicious. So let's try one out. Okay, let's cut it open. Cut it in half. Oh, look, it's so soft. Really soft on the inside. Okay, here's the bagel. Let's try it. Smells absolutely amazing. Bon appetit. That's good. Even though I used vanilla yogurt. It's not really that sweet at all. I'm surprised. It was a low fat yogurt though. This would be a great idea to make with kids. Like, I think my niece would love to make these, make her own little flavor for whatever she wants in it. Get her hands a little messy. Works really good. I'm trying to make some other flavors. Overall, maybe I'll make a cinnamon raisin one, or one time I went to New York City and got this bagel. It was like bacon and cheese or something like that. No, I got the rainbow bagel with bacon and cheese, cream cheese. It was so good, like best bagel I ever had in my life. So maybe we can see if we can try it. Try to make a rainbow with yogurt and flour. Anyway, this was good. I would love to make like a garlic onion bagel and a blueberry bagel. So that's it for now. Try it if you want. I'll give this an 8.5 out of 10. It's delicious. Well, that's all for now. Bye.